Hey guys, so this is only a video for people who like creepy stuff. This is a completely creepy video, so yeah. I'm just warning you, do not watch this if well, do you know the endoskeletons in Five Nights at Freddy's? Yeah. It's basically the same as that, but a teddy. This video is really creepy, so please, anybody who's scared in the dark or anybody who's scared of anything, please don't watch this. As yeah, this video is really creepy. Right guys, so I'm back. This video is really creepy, remember. I warn you. So if you get nightmares, it's not my fault. So yeah, let's watch this. I'm just gonna put it on full screen for you guys. There we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. Yeah, let's watch
Hi
this.
there, it's me, Teddy Ruxben. Today's the kind of day that some people might not like very much.
Yeah,
Have you ever heard of Teddy Ruxben? Because this guy was made and produced in 1985 when I was like 5 years old. It's something from the 80s. It's like a throwback toy. We're doing this now for a couple of reasons. First, because we bought this thing from a collector that had it in mint condition, and it was like $500. And I felt really bad because when they sent it to us, they sent it to us in like 3 layers of bubble wrap so that it wouldn't get damaged. If they only knew what we were about to do to this guy.
It's really not so bad.
I just saw on the news this last week that they are coming out with a remake of the Teddy Ruxben in July of 2017. What's your initial thoughts from looking at this guy?
He's kind of creepy.
This is a talking teddy bear. He talks. He sings. He can be your best friend.
He's my worst friend right now.
It doesn't work off of CDs. Let's take off his nice fancy green vest. Let's undo his little pouch here in the back. And we can see.
I know what's there, like something like that
he has
DVD or
a
something.
fancy tape set.
Yeah,
Have you ever seen a tape before?
Yeah, I think so once. His
I
eyes are
know
big.
because I have
Oh
watched
my!
this video. I decided to pause at the tape because I thought they would cut it up next. So yeah, let's see if they cut it up next.
What?
That is creepy. This thing right here is creepy. I have this painting from a YouTube channel, but this thing right here, what you can see, is the creepiest thing I have ever seen in my life. Yeah, let's go back to the video.
Days when I have to stay inside.
Please don't cut my body in half. You creepy what's inside people. It's gonna come at nighttime and get us. At first, let's take his clothes off.
Creepy.
How many layers of clothes does he have?
Oh, okay, so this is like the standard. This is what he looks like. Here's what the back looks like. This is old school. I bet the new one's gonna have a bit different of an operating system.
I used to sail boats a lot when I lived in Relunia.
It's Teddy surgery time.
Oh no.
This feels so wrong. Alright, we're in to his cheeks. Let's get the scissors out. He's still talking.
Oh, I'm scared. This is creeping me out.
He's still cheery. Even though I can see his brain. Give a book a look, and your brain a
Don't
look.
take that off, please.
There's the back of his head.
Don't take that off.
Bleh. Looks kind of like
Don't.
bum.
Don't take that yellow thing off, please.
Wrinkly little
Don't.
bum.
Yeah, squishy.
I enjoy being alone because I really like being with myself.
Okay, creepy dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh no,
You just
please.
completely broke it.
I think I might have broke him.
Oh,
That is creepy.
it's his skull!
That is creepy.
I mean, Teddy Ruxben. Rawr.
What are your
That is
first thoughts
creepy.
of Teddy Ruxben's face?
I like it better like this, actually.
Be best friends.
creepiest thing I have ever seen in my life. I feel like I'm gonna get nightmares from this. This is just creepy, actually.
That's one of the funniest things I've ever seen. What's inside Teddy's head?
That's the
Nightmares.
scariest thing I've
That is
ever
the stuff
seen.
nightmares are made of. This is perfect for Halloween.
That looks so
Teddy Ruxben,
realistic.
Don't move. Don't move. It's so funny. Check that out inside of there. Look at his little nose and his mouth moving and his eyeballs.
That's pretty high tech for 1980.
Yeah. The girls just got home from the grocery store. I want to show them this. They have no idea what's about to hit
What
them.
will happen?
Who's here, London? London and Mommy? Come in here. You gotta see this bear.
I enjoy being alone
so
so much.
scary.
I even hang the one.
Do you want to hold them?
It's the tiniest thing.
Why? Look, Mama.
That is so creepy.
Doesn't it look good like that?
Quiet, please.
Update. She's crying. Oh, man. Let's go see if we can fix it.
Really upset. Daddy, I'll take care
We're
of
gonna
it.
take it all apart tonight and then get rid of it.
Okay, deal?
Bring it to the doctor.
We'll bring it to the doctor.
Alright.
I got you a new hat though. Do you want to wear it? Yeah.
Oh, that looks lovely.
We got some more work to do here. This is like the perfect Halloween video with this creepy singing face dude.
I never don't.
But
I
that's
never
where the
wanna
sound
watch
comes
this
out of.
anytime.
Let's see if we can take this foam off.
Whoa.
Actually, I know.
Sing it out loud.
So it looks like the speaker is this
That
entire belly. That's the
is
big thing.
just
So I'm
the
imagining in the
creepiest thing
future
I've
when they
ever
make
seen
the
in my
updated
life.
version in 2017, this box won't have to be so big because we have better speakers, we have better technology than we used to have.
Oh
So
God.
this should be it. We definitely don't need tape players.
Oh,
Do you ever ask yourself, like, what has my life come to?
Just look at that. Isn't that creepy? I'm gonna get the color red. Sorry about this. Guys, isn't this creepy? Right there. I just don't want to watch this video anymore. But I'm gonna do it for you guys. Oh, oops.
We might as well get into this guy and see what really makes it work. But once we start getting into this, goodbye to Talking Bear. So, say your last goodbyes.
It's really quite a show.
Thanks. He likes our show a lot, so that's great. All right. I didn't get it out. Does it still work? He's still looking out the window. You're creepy, dude. Rather than cut this thing in half, which we usually do, we cut things open. I think it was cool that we cut open the face and everything. I still want to see what's inside this body, but it's dark, as you can see outside, and we got a different tool here. The same one we used on the F1 race helmet.
That is
Ugh,
creepy.
sledgehammer.
That is really creepy.
To this guy, so
I'm putting this down and running away.
Goodbye, creepy thing.
It's really quite a show. Looking out my window.
it's really quite a show. Oh, decapitated head.
Teddy!
If that still
Oh,
works,
that is creepy. I think that's the speaker right there.
There's the
I
speaker.
I would be
Pretty big chip
screaming
board from 1985
already.
Yeah.
right there.
1985 technology. Lincoln's over here determined to get every little last bit of these songs out of
put that
there.
back. It's gonna get knots. No, don't put it on me.
Hopefully this video doesn't give you more nightmares. Hopefully you have some closure. If you have any other toys that are so creepy and you're like, man, I'd love to see that thing destroyed. I'd love to see.
So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm pretty creeped out. I feel like I'm gonna get nightmares. I hope you enjoyed, and bye, guys. I guess bye.